Do you want to know the secret to grow your accounting practice exponentially in 2021 and beyond? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the three proven time-tested ways to grow your accounting practice in ways you never imagined possible. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Harish Godeti. I'm the founder of EasyBiz Systems, and a little bit about me. What I do is I spent the last over 15 years with billion-dollar tech companies, building products, scaling teams, and things like that. Now we are a Zoho affiliate and partner, and I'm also a certified copywriter. So what do? I provide digital transformation services for small and medium businesses. We do Zoho on sales and consulting. We also do Zoho training, and I also specialize in building vertical solutions using Zoho One platform. Right now, as I said, we are working on launching our proprietary solutions express scaling system for CPAs on top of Zoho One platform. So that's what I'm currently doing. That's the reason dedicating this entire playlist to help CPAs scale their business. So that's about me. So now let's jump into the topic, today's topic on how to really grow your business exponentially. So if you are familiar with Jay Abraham, the world's best marketing expert, I think they call him $1 billion man, right? So according to him, and from him, there are only three ways to grow any business. Doesn't matter what business you are, there are only three ways. The first method is to increase the number of clients or customers you serve. The second method is increase the cost of your services. And finally, increase the purchase frequency of your services. So if you do any of these things, what happens is you will see a huge spike in your business growth, right? So either if you add number of clients, or if you increase, let's say you're charging $800 and you make it $1,400, then a huge difference. And finally, increase the purchase frequency. If your client is buying from you every month instead of every 6 months, then obviously you'll see a significant boost in your business. So now you may have a question, or you may be wondering, what does this do with CPA business or CPA practice? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take each of these items or each of these things or each of these three secrets, if you will, and explain how you can do it in your accounting practice. So let's start with the first one, increase the number of clients you serve. So the biggest mistake what I found is with most entrepreneurs whom I serve is they increase their ad spend or marketing activities without building the back end to meet the increase in demand. Don't make this mistake. So let me clarify what I'm saying so you can understand better. Let's just say you have a 5-member team, or let's say a 10-member team, and you can handle let's say 5 projects or 6 or maybe let's just say 10, one for each, right? Why not? So let's say you can handle 10 customers or 10 services, provide 10 services at once in parallel. Now what I do is I go ahead and increase my ad spend or whatever the means to generate leads, and let's say you are getting 50 new leads every day or 50 new qualified leads every day who are ready to pay you. Will you be able to handle that? Will you be able to handle that demand? That's the biggest challenge entrepreneurs have, and not just all the entrepreneurs, people who are in service-based businesses, because your work is mostly about delivering a service, and you can only work with X amount of number of clients, and you can't work with everyone in the world, right? So don't make the mistake of taking on more clients without having a process system in the back end to be able to serve them. So here's the tip. If you want to increase your number of clients or customers, first thing is invest in building the systems and automation before you invest in marketing and sales to increase the number of clients. It's going to be very bad problem because people may think it's a good problem to have, but no, because it will impact your complete reputation, because the service levels will drastically fall down when you don't have enough people to be able to cater to the needs, right, or meet the demand. So don't make this mistake. First build the back end with systems, automation and things like that before you actually invest in increasing your clients. So I just want to tell you that I'm doing a free webinar where I'll show you how to scale your business accounting practice exponentially in a very detailed way. So go ahead, the link is in the description. Register for the free webinar so you can actually go ahead and understand how it is actually done in real life. So I'm going to show that in my webinar. So go ahead, click on the link and register and pick a time slot that works for you, and then we can take it from there. So that's number one. The next one is increase the cost of product or service. Before you increase the cost of product of your service, answer this question, or try to answer this question. I offer the same services like other CPAs, but can demand a premium from my clients because I offer or I do one dash 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 dash. So if you are able to go ahead and list out at least 4 to 10 things that you and only you offer besides your competitors, then you have a very strong case to increase your price or the cost of services. So go ahead, answer this question, come up with as big as many as line items, list items you want, you can actually, and then which are true, then you can that becomes your unique selling proposition that you can actually use to go ahead and that you can use every time you go ahead and increase your price or you promote yourself as a big differentiator in your own space. So that is the way to increase the cost of your service. Basically, don't do that unless you know how you are different from every other person in your space. So that's number two. The final thing is, now I'm going to show you an example on what it means like for my business, because I do I do charge a little more than other Indian partners, but here's why I do that. So I offer Zoho implementation services like other Zoho partners, but can demand a premium from my clients, and they are happy about it because I offer risk-free trials, money-back guarantee. I have a proprietary framework to scale any business in 7 days or less. I offer a lot of training through my YouTube channel, unlimited free email support for life, and we are currently launching an on-demand e-learning platform with a lot of training programs and much more. There is so much in the pipeline that we are going to do. So this, I don't believe other Zoho partners in India can quickly do all this stuff that we are offering at a price that we are offering. So that is the reason I can differentiate myself from other Zoho partners within India, so that our services are much more, the services are probably the same. The way we deliver, the value addition that we do is significantly huge. So that's number two. Finally, increase the purchase frequency of your product and service or service. So in our case, it's service. The secret is MRR, monthly recurring revenue. So how you do it is simple. So imagine you are getting a monthly check of payments from your clients. It will make a huge difference. So what you do is create monthly packages and set up a recurring subscription with a big discount. So if they subscribe for 6 months with you, then offer a discount. If they subscribe 12 months with you, offer a discount. So, and second thing that you do for this is accept online payments, right? Don't accept payments in office, and make sure you can accept payments online. Finally, keep adding value in your own way, so your clients love to continue the relationship with you. Don't just go ahead and set the packages, take the payment and keep quiet. Go ahead and keep adding value, either email nurturing, doesn't matter, whatever you do, keep them engaged, keep them informed about what's going on, so they go ahead and build that relationship with you. They last that relationship with you for a very long time. Again, for this as well, the important step is to set up the backend required to launch and maintain a subscription based business model. It's not easy, it takes some time and effort, but once you have it set up and tested, that system, the subscription based system, can make a huge difference in your revenue. So again, I'm doing a free webinar to show you exactly how it is done. So go ahead, the link is in the description below, and click on the link and register so you can go ahead and understand how this is done in real time. I hope this video helped you understand how you can apply J. Abraham principles or his teachings to your accounting practice to scale your practice in ways you never did it before. I hope that you like this video. So just do me a favor, go ahead, click on the subscribe link, so subscribe button, and turn on those notifications, because so you can be the first one to watch the content that I post about scaling CPA accounting practice, right? So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Until next time, thank you very much for watching the video.